This is Fedora 43 Beta, the latest version of the Fedora desktop. Right now, Fedora 43 is available for testers and is set to be released very soon. This update brings minor changes, new features, performance improvements, and upgrades to the GNOME Shell. Now, let's take a look at the all new features of Fedora 43. Fedora 43 brings a major overhaul to the Anaconda installer, transforming it into a native Valiant application across all Fedora spins. With the drop of X11 support, users can expect improved keyboard navigation on live ISO files and a migration from VNC to RDP for remote installations. The redesigned web-based partitioning interface brings enhanced automatic partitioning with guided customization. The new installer is now the default for all spins. This creates a consistent and modern installation experience across all Fedora desktop variants. It delivers a smoother and more intuitive experience featuring a progress indicator, built-in help, and configuration review. Overall, the refreshed installer offers a modern, user-friendly interface that makes installing Fedora easier than ever. Fedora 43 comes with GNOME 49, which brings UI changes and improvements. Just like GNOME 49, Fedora is going Valiant only. On the lock screen of the GDM, you no longer have the ability to switch the display server to X11. The session button has been replaced with accessibility setting, which may be a bummer for some users. With this change, Fedora is following GNOME's plan to create a more modern and consistent desktop experience. In addition, there's a new settings gear icon at the bottom that allows you to choose between standard GNOME session with Valiant and the classic session, which comes with a light theme. Mutter is the core component of the GNOME desktop that handles Windows and graphics has been upgraded in many ways. Colors now look much better because it uses sRGB blending by default and it can handle more color formats. Opening Windows on Valiant is smoother and new tools has been added for developers. If you have a screen with variable refresh rates, the mouse cursor will now move very smoothly. It also supports color calibration through a dbus API and manages custom display scaling with better accuracy. GNOME Shell introduces brand new media and power controls to the lock screen. If you're playing any media, the built-in player controls will be shown right on the lock screen. You can also shut down or restart your computer straight from the lock screen without logging. GNOME 49 finally adds this feature. If you don't want this option to show up, admins can turn off using the Restart Enabled setting in the screensaver. Fedora 43 comes with new default wallpapers that gives your desktop a brand new look. These stunning wallpapers make the whole experience feel more modern. The KDE Plasma version of Fedora got some updates. It has now become fully official edition, just like Fedora Workstation, CoreOS, IoT, and Server. Fedora 43 KDE Desktop Edition comes with Plasma 6.4.4, new KDE framework, and many applications. This makes Fedora a great choice for people using Windows 10 who want to switch before support ends on October. In Fedora 43, Loop replaces the standard image viewer. It's built with Rust and uses GPU-accelerated rendering for faster and smoother performance. Loop supports many image formats, works very well on touchscreen, and has a clean, modern design that fits perfectly with Wayland. Fedora 43 ships with the new Linux kernel 6.17, which means better performance, improved hardware support, and a smoother experience. It brings updates for Intel and AMD graphics, support for new laptops and chips like Snapdragon X, and better webcam compatibility. The file systems also got faster and more efficient, making things like reading and writing files a lot quicker. Overall, I would say Fedora 43 is a solid release for Linux users, which is smoother and faster as always. You can download and try Fedora 43 build on bare metal by installing it on a separate drive. And that's pretty much it. What do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.